With us is Alix Norton, who is the archivist for the CART program. Alix and her colleagues in special collections and archives regularly work with and collaborate with graduate students who are working on research projects, who are preparing for TA shifts or teaching their own courses, or who are curating exhibits. Alix, graduate students may not know that your department hosts a paid fellowship. Can you tell us about this and why students may want to get involved?
Definitely. So CART stands for the Center for Archival Research and Training, which includes a paid fellowship program. We hire about 5 graduate students each year to get practical experience organizing archival collections and then curate a public exhibit using the collections they worked on. It's a really great way to work closely with archivists and librarians, get hands-on experience working in the archives, and also learn about exhibit curation and writing for a public audience.
Wonderful. When do you accept applications for the CART Fellowship, and when would a graduate student be eligible to apply?
Yeah, so we post information about the following year's projects at the end of each winter quarter, so around March or April, and then students can apply in the spring and usually work during either summer, fall, or winter quarter. And it's open to all graduate students, no matter how far along you are in your program, so definitely consider applying. And it is a competitive application process since we're only able to hire a handful of folks each year, but we do have other opportunities in CART where all students can get involved.